academic evaluation. A few things to keep in mind when reading the academic evaluation. 1. In order to graduate from SMC, you must have completed 36 credits. There are no exceptions. 2. You must have an overall institutional GPA of 2.0, as well as a 2.0 GPA in your major to graduate. 3. You must complete all core and major requirements to graduate. 4. A student is allowed a maximum of 19 lower division transfer credits. 5. 17 upper division completed course credits are required to graduate. With that in mind, let's get started. Above this line, you would normally see the student name, ID, program/major, catalog year, the year the student entered St. Mary's, and the student's email address. Below the line, you see a student's current class level, based on completed credits, and the advisor's name and office information. Program summary, a summary of your progress. Let's look at institutional credits. Here you can see the overall credits required, current earned credits, currently remaining credits, anticipated additional, which are currently enrolled credits, and anticipated remaining credits. As you can see, 36 credits are required. This student has currently earned 26.70. This contains all completed credits, including transfer work. Current remaining are 9.30, anticipated additional are 4.25, and the anticipated remaining credits are 5.05 in order to reach 36. Remember, a student may exceed 36 earned credits, but may not have completed all of the required courses in the core or in their major. The institutional GPA. The required institutional GPA is 2.0. This student's current earned here is 3.317. The GPA is based on completed courses. Let's look at program requirements, beginning with the core requirements. Each requirement block contains courses needed to complete the requirement, and each requirement has an indicator of the student's progress. Green equals completed, orange equals pending, which means the student is currently enrolled in a course within the requirement. Notice the term and note I. Red equals not started, and blue equals in progress. Under Artistic Understanding in red, you'll notice a note, exception, cross-listed. The WAGS 154 course is cross-listed with English 154 and therefore fulfills the second course needed. Under Scientific Understanding, you will notice that there is a transfer course, as noted by the TE in the notes section. Both the lecture and lab courses were transferred from the outside institution. Substitutions and waivers. Under the community engagement requirement, you can see that WAGS 1 has been substituted to fulfill the requirement. Substitutions are courses that have been substituted for a required course through a special action petition. Because it is a substitution, this course counts as credit towards the required 36 credits for graduation and fulfills the core requirement. Under the second language proficiency, you can see in purple that the requirement has been waived. Please note that a waived course means the requirement or part of the requirement has been fulfilled, but credit has not been earned. So a student might fulfill a requirement, but will still need 36 credits to graduate. January term. Students should take 4 courses. Jan term offers a chance to explore areas of study outside of the major. Although it is commonly assumed a student should take 2 lower division and 2 upper division courses, a student may take 4 upper division courses if they choose to. Major requirements. This student is a double major. The first major is psychology. The academic evaluation shows the student has earned 10 credits towards the major requirements and also shows the major GPA achieved and the major GPA required to graduate. In this case, the student has achieved a 3.4 GPA, well above the required 2.0 for the major. Students must complete all requirements and sub-requirements to complete the major. Upper Division. A student must complete at least 17 Upper Division course credits. This can include both quarter and full credit courses. Second major. After the Upper Division institutional requirements, the double major, minor, or additional concentration, if applicable, will be listed. In this case, the student has a second major in Women's and Gender Studies. Note the credits earned, 10, and the GPA achieved, 3.138. In order to graduate, this student will have to complete all of the credit, course, and GPA requirements in both majors. Lastly, other courses. These are courses that do not fulfill a major or core requirement, but are counted towards the 36 credits needed to graduate. For additional information, visit the SMC website under Registrar. Here you will find information on transfer at admission waivers, integral students moving to other majors, major and minor catalog information, and so much more.